In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides transition automatically. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or simply want to create a seamless viewing experience, automating your slide transitions can enhance your delivery and keep your audience engaged. So let's dive in and see how we can set this up using Google Slides. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll notice the sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then choose your account from the list of options, or if it's not listed, you can simply add it. Once you've done that, type in your password and hit next to proceed into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a small grid of 9 dots, which is Google's app grid icon. Click on this to open a drop-down menu where you will need to scroll down and select Slides. This will bring you to your collection of Google Slides presentations. Navigate through your projects and select the presentation you want to apply automatic transitions to. Once the presentation is opened, look for the slideshow button located at the top right of your screen and click on it to expand your presentation to full screen. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now that your presentation is in full screen mode, move your cursor down to the bottom left corner of the screen. A small control bar should appear, and on this bar you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click there to open the options menu. Find autoplay by hovering your mouse over this section. As you do that, you'll see a sub-menu that presents various timing options for your slides, such as every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds, or you can choose another interval that suits your presentation best. This is how you can control the pace of your slideshow. There's also an optional but highly recommended step I'd like to share. If you find it useful to have your presentation loop continuously, this can be easily set up. Just click on those 3 dots on the control bar again, navigate to autoplay, and then select loop. This setup ensures that once your slideshow reaches the end, it will seamlessly restart from the beginning, which can be incredibly useful for displays at kiosks or exhibitions. Finally, when you're ready to watch your automated presentation in action, head back to the 3 dots in the control bar one last time. From there, click on play. This will activate the automatic transitions, and you can sit back and watch your slides flow effortlessly from one to the next. So there you have it. I hope these instructions were clear and helpful and that you feel confident in setting up automatic transitions for your Google Slides presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.